श्री वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाब्धिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवोपास्महे ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाब्धिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवोपास्महे विशुद्धविज्ञानगणस्वरूपं विज्ञानश्यामतदीक्षं दयानिधिं देवतां शरण्यं देवं हयग्रीवमां प्रपद्ये मे देवसदात्रीयादयालङ्काक्षाः श्रोत्रेषु सामूलं शरन्तीं सरस्वतीं संस्कृतकामधेनुं व्याख्यामुद्रां करसरसिजे पुस्तकं शङ्खचक्रे बिभ्रद्भिन्नस्फटिकृते पुण्डरीके षण्णः अम्लानश्रेरं दूषितेरं श्वेप्लावयन् मामाविर्भूयादनगमयिमा मानसे वागधीशः. Yesterday we have seen these avyayas. Anyone can read? Pathatha imani avyayani in the cadence. Read these in the cadence.
Anantashri, you can read.
Jai Jai Shri Sudarshana. Api also too, but atra here, athava or eva only, adhuna now, ekada once, na not, cha and ataha so, idanim now, adya today, putra where, tatra there, sada when.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. Then who is next? One more time, anybody can read.
Aditya, you can read.
Again Aditya. Api also too, but atra here, athava or eva only, adhuna now, ekada once, na not, cha and, ataha so, idanim now, adya today, putra where, tatra where, sada when. Again Danyasmi.
Very good, very good, very good. Sentence Serna Padigrala. Fill in the blanks with the we are given in the bracket.
Shiraja first, then Srinish.
Again?
Read with meaning, okay? You have to tell the meaning. Sentence meaning.
Surekha likhati. Sureshah api likhati. Sureka writes. Suresh also writes.
Very good, very good.
Chhatraha khelanti. Rameshah tu tishtati. The children are playing.
Very good.
But Ramesh is standing.
Good.
Aham atra pathami. Balika tatra pathati. I study here. The girl studies there.
Good.
Balakaha atra pathanti athava likhanti. The boys.
Here it is children.
Okay. The children write or read here.
Boys read here.
Adhyapakaah eva patham patayanti. Only the teacher teaches the lesson.
Very good. Good, good. Next.
Again Srinish.
Srinish, Parima.
Sureka likati. सुरेशः अपि लिखति. सुरेखा एल्डर. सुरेशः also reading. छात्राः खेलन्ति. रमेशः तु तिष्ठति. Children விளையாடுறாங்க. But Ramesh is standing here. अहम् अत्र पठामि. बालिका तत्र पठति. I read here. Girls read there. बालकाः अत्र पठन्ति अथवा लिखन्ति. Boys read or write here. अध्यापकाः एव पाठं पाठयन्ति. Teacher only teaches lessons.
Very good, very good.
Adiyan the news.
Okay. Next படிக்கட்டுமா? Next. இது யாருன்னா ரெண்டு பேர் படிக்கட்டும். அடியே. Hello? Hello?
Adiyan, sorry Swami, Adiyan, mute la irundha Adiyan. Shraddha and Shravan you can read.
Adiyan. Adhuna tvam dhavasi. Adhuna now you have to run. एकदा वयं दिल्ली नगरम् आगच्छामि. Once they went to Delhi.
We went to Delhi. Vayam.
We went to Delhi. Once we went to Delhi. छात्राः असत्य न वदन्ति. The students will not speak untruth.
Correct.
पूजा माला च तत्र चित्रं पश्यतः. Pooja and Mala are drawing.
Pashyatah means see.
They are seeing pictures.
They both see the picture.
Aham rugnaha. Adiyan rugnaha எனக்கு என்னன்னு தெரியாது.
Rugnaha means sick.
Oh, okay Adiyan. Aham rugnaha.
I am sick.
अतः विद्यालयं न आगच्छामि.
I am
so
sick.
I am sick, so I am not going to school.
Coming to school. Gachami
I am
means
not
go.
coming to school. Okay.
Gachami means go. Agachami means come.
Adiyan, okay.
Good.
Adiyan, Shravan.
Very good.
Adhuna dhavasi. Now run. Now you will run. एकदा वयं दिल्ली नगरम् अगच्छाम. Once we went to Delhi. छात्रा असत्यं न वदन्ति. The children do not speak untruth.
Very good.
पूजा माला च तत्र चित्र पश्यतः. Pooja and Mala are looking at the pictures.
Very good.
Aham rugnah. अतः विद्यालयं में न आगच्छामि. I am sick. So I am not coming to school. Adiyan Dhanyasmi.
Uttamam. Very good. So அடுத்ததுக்கு போலாமா சுவாமி இல்ல இன்னொருத்தர் யாரா படிக்கட்டுமா?
அடியன் யாரும் ஒருத்தர் படிக்கிறதுனா படிக்கலாம்.
படிக்கட்டும். ஏன்னா இதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப முக்கியம் இதெல்லாம் சென்டென்சஸ்ல. இப்போ அடுத்த சென்டென்ஸ் ஃபார்மேஷன் இருக்குது அடுத்து.
சரி அடியன். வரதராஜன், you can read. Varadarajan, can you read now?
Adiyan, kekurda?
Yes.
Aduna tvam davasi ekada vayam Delhi nagaram agacham chatraha agachama chatraha.
Varadarajan, please also you have to give the meaning. Read the
try the meaning.
Yeah, try telling the meaning also.
Now
adhuna tvam davati.
Welcome to the conferencing service.
Adiyan எனக்கு மீனிங் தெரியாது.
சரி ஓகே read.
பூஜா மாலாச்ச அத்ர சித்ரம் பஷ்யதः. அஹம் உகனாம் அத்தः வித்யாலயம் ந அகச்சாமி.
Very good. Agachami. Okay. Let us go to the next exercise. Kutra. Kutra means where. Where. Okay. Tatra. There. Idanim. Now. Sayam. In the evening. Okay. Kada. When. Okay. Now. Dash aham Omana deshe vasami. Aham Oman deshe vasami. Oman is a country. When I was living in Oman, I made this sentence. Can anybody guess the answer?
Adiyan? Idanim?
Very good. Correct. Aham Bharatadeshe vasami. Idanim aham Bharatadeshe vasami. Idanim aham Singapore deshe vasami. Idanim aham Malaysia deshe vasami. See, these are all useful to start conversation, to write some sentences. Okay, you have to capture these sentences. You have to utilize these sentences. Next, adya means today. Okay, adya dash aham udyanam gamishyami. Gamishyami means will. This Ishya says will. Okay, Adya means today. Aham udyanam gamishyami. Today I will go to garden. So what will come?
Adiyan.
Adiyan.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. Uttamam, uttamam. Let me write here. Let me type the answer here. Okay. Let me type the answer. Idanim. Okay. Idanim is the answer. Someone's audio is troubling. Here, Adya Sayam. Sayam. Okay. Very good. Adya Sayam Aham Udyanam Gamishyami. Idanim Aham Omana Desha. Instead of Omana Desha, you can use any Desha. Australia Desha, America Desha. Whatever the country, your country, that you can write. Balakaha Sayam Khelanti. What will come here? Question mark is given. Out of 5, 2 are, very good, very good, very good. Kutra Sayam Khelanti. Balakaha Kutra Sayam Khelanti. Shall I tell you one thing? The beauty of Sanskrit. Shall I tell you one thing? I'll show you. I'll show you here. Okay. Now the sentence is Balakaha Kutra Sayam Khelanti. Okay. 4 words are there. You can make it Kutra Sayam Sayam Balakaha Khelanti. Okay. You can say Khelanti Balakaha Kutra Sayam. This is also correct. You change the word here and there. It's not a problem in Sanskrit. Okay. That's what I want to show. So, where do children play in the evening? Okay. Now next one. What is next one? Dash Pariksha Bhavishyati. Ishya says what I said? Ishya says future tense. Okay.
Adiyan.
Future tense. Tell.
Adiyan in a Gada.
Very good. Very good. Super. Super. Very good. You all are well versed now. Nice. Very good. Very good. Simha dash Uchchaihi Garjati. Tatra. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now who will read? 3 students should read and tell the meaning. Okay? 3 students. Those who have read should wait. Okay?
Varadarajan padichachu. Next Satvik, Prahlada Vardhan and Vishnu.
Very good. Very good.
Adiyan கேக்குதா?
கேக்குதுமா.
पदानिम अहम एमान देवे वसामी. And now you again
aham means I. Now I live. Where are you living? You can say instead of Omana Desha, you can tell your own country, no problem. Where you are living now?
Now I live in Singapore.
Tell that Idanim aham Singapura Deshe vasami.
Okay. Ada sayam aham
Adya sayam.
Adya sayam udanam Namishyami.
Gamishyami.
Gamishyami. I Alien, meaning தெரியல alien.
பரவாயில்லமா நீ சொல்லு நீ படி. Adya today, sayam evening, aham I, udyanam to the garden, gamishyami shya says will go.
Today
So,
I will go to
this evening I will go to garden. That's all.
Okay, alien.
Hmm. Balakaha
kutra sayam kelanti. Where do the children
Read again.
Where are the children now?
Play in
Where
the
are the
evening.
children playing?
Where do children play in the evening? Sayam means evening. Okay. Balakaha, children. Kutra, where. Sayam in the evening. Kelanti, play. Okay. So where do children play in the evening?
Kada
Next.
kada pariksha Mavishyati. When Again,
Pariksha means exam. When will be the exams? When will be the exam?
When will be the exams? Simha tatra Ujjaihi Garjati.
Simha.
The lion. The lion sleeps there.
No. Garjaning means what? Garjati. Meaning what? Roars loudly. Lion roars there loudly.
Roars loudly.
Yeah.
Very
good. Next.
Adiyan. Idanim aham Singapura deshe vasami.
Meaning.
இப்போ நான் சிங்கப்பூர்ல இருக்கேன். லிவ் பண்றேன்.
Very good. Read.
Adya sayam aham udyanam Gamishyami.
Adya
in today's இன்னைக்கு சாயங்காலம் நான் பார்க்குக்கு போவேன்.
Very good.
பாலகாஹ புத்திர சாயம் கேலந்தி. Where will the boys play?
In the evening.
Where will the boys play in the evening?
Good.
Kada परीक्षा भविष्यति.
Very good.
When is the exam?
Okay, correct.
सिंहः तत्र
उच्चैः
गर्जति.
Very good.
The lion roars there. The lion roars loudly.
Very good.
Adiyan Dhanyosmi Swami.
Very good, ma. Mangalani bhavantu. Swami innu ottar padikittom.
Vishnu, Varada Vishnu, you can read.
Adiyan.
Idanim aham Omanadeshe vasami.
You are living in which country now?
India.
Say Bharata Deshe.
Vasami.
Uttaram.
I am living in India.
Very good.
Adya Sayam Aham Udyanam Gamishyami.
Very good.
Today evening I am going to the park.
I will go to park.
Balakaha kutra shayam kelanti. Boys, where will the boys play? Kada pariksha bhavishyati. When will the exams
Will be held.
When will the exams be held? Lion Simha Tatta Ujjaihi Garjati. Lion roars there. No.
Loudly.
Lion roars there loudly.
Very good.
Dhanyos Marian.
Very good.
Dhanyos
You
Marian.
can frame. Yeah, I will give you now 7:15. I will give you 5 minutes time. You have to prepare sentences with these words. Can you? Anybody?
I can, Adiyan.
Very good. Congrats. Start. You write first. Okay, then you can read. I'll give you 5 minutes time.
So whoever wants to frame the sentences and read out, please put down your names. First Anantashri will do.
Yes. Five minutes time. Your time starts now. Even 2, 3, 4, 5, n number of sentences. Okay? Don't worry about that. Minimum 2, enough. Maximum 5. Okay? Minimum 2 sentences, maximum 5 sentences.
So Anantashri, followed by that Aditya, Shraddha, Shravan, and Srinesh. Anantashri, if you are ready, you can start reading.
Good.
Okay again. Api also. Aham chaturtha kaksha patami. Sureshah api chaturtha kaksha padhati.
Uttam. Chaturtha kaksham patati. That's all. Very good. Very good.
Two.
Very
Back. Aham modakam khadami. Tu Rameshah idli khadati.
Uttam. Here one small correction. Tu will not come as first word, it will come as second word. Okay? Tu, what you said, repeat the sentence.
Aham
modakam khadami.
Tu Rameshah idli
Stop.
khadati.
Very good. Rameshah tu will come. Okay, tu will not come as first word. Tu will come always as second word only. Okay, meaning will not change. Okay, so Rameshah tu idlim khadati. Very good. Uttama. Any other sentence? One more sentence. Any other sentence?
Atra here. Aham atra dhavami. Athava or
Aham atra dhavami athava one more verb.
Aham. Again, I told a sentence for atra.
Aham atra dhavami athava pathami. Athava means or.
Aham atra dhavami.
Very good. Aham atra dhavami. Correct. Good. Very good.
Aham atra tishtami athava तत्र तिष्ठामि
तिष्ठा वेरी गुड उत्तमम्
एव only अहं क्षीरम् एव पिबामि अधुना अहं भारतदेशे वसामि
उत्तमम् वेरी गुड
एकदा अहं सुन्दरकथां
वदामि अवदम् उत्तमम् super Anantasya what's your name hello
अडियेन् मम नाम अनन्तश्री
उत्तमम् अनन्तश्री उत्तमम्
एकदा अहं सुन्दरकथां वदामि
उत्तमम् अत्युत्तमम्
not अहं न चायं पिबामि
very उत्तमम्
अहं
त्वं use त्वं
च and
names use names no tvam here okay
okay dear अक्षरा अत्र धावति तत्र धावति च
okay
अतः so रम्या पाठशाला न आगतवती
from where you got this sentence
which sentence
I did not this one agatavati something because I did not teach you
in my school they have taught
oh very good very good okay let others say okay very good mangalani bhavantu very good
Aditya you can go next after Aditya Shraddha Shravan Shrinish
अडियन् आदित्य श्रेया लिखति नीरजः अपि लिखति रमेशः तु पठति अहम् अत्र लिखामि सीता रमा च तु तत्र पठतः
उत्तमम्
त्वं कुत्र गच्छसि अधुना त्वं धावसि इदानीम् अहं खेलामि एकदा सुरेशः सिङ्गपुरदेशम्
agachat name is agachat Suresh what is the name पुनः वद tell again सुरेशः एकदा सिङ्गापुरनगरम् अगच्छत् otherwise gachati adds ma then becomes past tense. Okay, see, let me type here, see, all of you watch this. You want to make past tense, right? So you can pathati, okay, pathati, this is present tense, okay. Pathati sma, now it is past tense, okay, now it is past tense. Same way khadati sma is past tense. You can say this way also, okay, because that one past tense I did not teach you, so you can say like this, okay. Likhati is present tense, likhati sma is past tense, okay. You can use like this. Yeah, continue.
அவ்வளவுதான் அடியன் எழுதினேன்.
Good, very good adapt. उत्तमं कार्यम्. Next, who is ready? कः अस्ति?
अडियन् श्रद्धा केकृदा
न श्रद्धा शृणोमि, अहं शृणोमि.
अडियन् न नॉट अहं न वदामि च च and अहं सिन्धुजा च लिखामि.
अहं सिन्धुजा, listen.
Again.
Aham, you said aham, I. Okay.
Amadian.
And Sindhuja.
Amadian.
So two now. Okay, I and another one becomes we, right? We both.
Amadian.
So what should come? What should be the ending of the verb?
Likhamah.
Likhavah. Likhamah is plural. Very good.
Okay.
Say punaha vada.
Likhavah.
Read the sentence again.
Cha likhavah. Again, ketda.
Not ketma. Aham shnomi. That's why I told aham shnomi.
Okay, again. Tatra, there. Tvam tatra gacchati.
Gacchasi, tvam.
Gacchasi. Tvam tatra gacchasi. Adhya, today. Aham adhya likhami. Aham adhya likhami.
Good.
Yeva, only. Aham yuyam yeva gayatah.
Yuyam gayatha.
Yuyam eva gayatha.
Very good. Uttamam.
இன்னும் ஒரே ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ் இருக்கு அடியேன்.
சொல்லுமா.
अतः so न not. अहम अमेरिका गच्छति. अतः गच्छामि. अतः विद्यालयं न आगच्छन्ति. अतः विद्यालयं न आगच्छन्ति.
Agachami. Aham, no?
Agachami.
When aham is there, ami should be the ending of the verb. Okay?
Okay, again. எனக்கு ஒரு டவுட் வந்து அஹம் அமெரிக்கா கச்சதி.
தேசம் அமெரிக்கா தேசம்.
அமெரிக்கா தேசம் கச்சசின்னு வருமா அடியேன்?
வராதுமா. துவம் வந்தா கச்சசி வரும், அஹம் வந்தா கச்சாமி வரும்.
ஓகே அடியேன். ஸ்ரவன் இப்ப சொல்லலாமா?
சொல்லட்டும்.
Again, Shravan. Api. Also. Api Pancha Kaksha Pathati.
Patami. Oh, who is Patati? Read the sentence again.
Aham api pancha kaksha pathati.
Patami. Aham ami.
Pathami.
Aham panchama kaksham pathami.
Okay. Aham api pancha kaksha pathami.
Panchama kaksham pathami.
Panchama kaksham pathami.
Very good. Uttama.
But tu vah gacchati. Atra here. Atra varshati. Na. Aham na pathati.
Who is na patati?
Aham na pathati.
Pathami.
Aham na pathami. Adhya. Today. Adhya. Aham adhya. Delhi Nagaram gacchami.
Uttam.
Cha and Shraddha Shravancha Likhami Likhasi
No. Two names. Likataha. Two names. Okay. Third person dual. Very good. Done. Is there?
Tatra Dar Aham tatra gayami.
Correct. Aham tatra gayami. Correct.
Again Dhanyosmi.
Mangalani bhavantu. Okay.
Srinish, you can read. Aditya, you already read your sentences, right? Srinish, you can read.
ஆமாடி நான் படிச்சிட்டேன்.
Hello?
Can you be louder, Srinish? We can't hear you.
Again, now can you hear me?
Yeah.
Siddharth likati. Aditya.
Siddhartha likati.
Siddhartha likati. Adityah api likati. Aham na padami. Aham na patami. In the news medium. Moon sentence.
अच्छा उत्तम நல்லா ட்ரை பண்ணிருக்கா எழுதினா நல்லா இருக்கும் எல்லாரும் ட்ரை பண்ணா நல்லா இருக்கும்
Again.
இப்போ முடிக்கலாமா again போட்டு
Again. Abhirat, do you want to read sentences? No, ஒரே ஒரு
only ஒன்னு தான் தெரியும்.
how many you know Abhinath, how many you know?
அடியன் ஒன்லி எனக்கு ஒன்று தான் தெரியும்.
அதை சொல்லு பரவாயில்ல. Tell whatever you know.
நான் தத்ரு சொல்றேன். தத்ரு
சொல்லு.
அஹம் தத்ரு மித்ரஹ. அஹம் தத்ரு மித்ரஹ.
Mitraha, what is the meaning? Tell, what do you mean?
Friend.
Aham tatra mitraha means, what do you mean?
There is my friend.
Oh, mama mitram tatra asti. Mama mitram,
Mama
my
mitram,
friend, tatra asti.
my friend, tatra asti.
Very good. Mama means my. Okay.
Again,
Okay.
can you?
Very good. Try பண்ணனும், நிறைய சென்டென்ஸ் எழுதணும், சரியா?
அடியன்.
ஓகே சார். வேற
அடியன் முடிச்சுக்கலாம் அடியன், இன்னைக்கு நாளைக்கு.
சரி, நான் இந்த ஒர்க் ஷீட் அனுப்பிச்சு விடுறேன். நீங்க எல்லாரும் சர்க்குலேட் பண்ணி விடுங்க. அடியன். சர்வே பவந்து சுகினஹ, சர்வே சந்து நிராமயாः, சர்வே பத்ராணி பஷ்யந்து, மா கஷ்யத் துக்கபாக் பவேத், சர்வஸ்தரது துர்காணி, சர்வோ பத்ராணி பஷ்யது, सर्वकामानवाप्नोतु, सर्वत्र नन्दतु. ओम शांति शांति शांति.